Axie Infinity Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Axie Infinity Wallet app became famous for powering one of the biggest play-to-earn games in crypto history. But is it still worth using today? Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, the Axie Infinity Wallet, also known as the Ronin wallet, is tailor-made for the Axie ecosystem. It allows you to store, send, and receive Axie tokens like Ax and SULP, and manage your Axies and land directly from one app. That means it's incredibly convenient for players and collectors who live inside the Axie world. Another big advantage is low transaction fees. The Ronin network was built to solve Ethereum's gas fee problem, and it succeeded. You can perform multiple transactions per day, including buying or breeding Axies with minimal costs. The app also offers smooth integration with the Axie marketplace, making it easy to trade NFTs and manage your assets without hopping between platforms. Plus, it includes support for Ledger hardware wallets, giving users an extra layer of security for their valuable digital creatures and tokens. But there are cons too. The biggest one, limited ecosystem use. While it's perfect for Axie Infinity, it's not designed as a full crypto wallet. You can't store Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other popular coins outside of the Ronin network. Another concern is security history. In 2022, the Ronin bridge was hacked for over $1 million, one of the largest crypto thefts ever. While security measures have since improved, that event still leaves some users cautious. Lastly, if you're new to crypto, the setup process can be confusing. Managing wallets, bridges, and gas fees between networks might feel overwhelming at first. In conclusion, the Axie Infinity Wallet app is a must-have for dedicated Axie players, but not ideal as your main crypto wallet. The surprising truth? It's an excellent niche tool for gaming, but limited for broader DeFi or multi-chain use. If you're all about Axie, it's a winner. If not, you'll want something more versatile.